Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to be giving my review and showcase of the Ulanzi DJI Pocket 3 teleconverter lens. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Here's the box. It's the Ulanzi Pocket 3 2x teleconverter. This is what it looks like. So let me open it up for you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is what it comes in. And there's also some instructions as well as a quality certificate. Here's the instructions. And quality certificate. And let me show you guys the actual box. So here's the box that it comes in, and there's the lens right inside here. Let me open it up. So here is the Ulanzi 2x teleconverter lens for the DJI Pocket 3. And I'm going to put it on just to show you guys what it looks like with and without it. Whoops. So this is what it looks like without the teleconverter lens. And now I'm going to put the Ulanzi teleconverter lens on. And now you can see the difference between having it on and having it off. So right now it's on. I move back and forth. And the face tracking does still work with the teleconverter lens on the DJI Pocket 3. Let me take it off. So now it's off again. This is what it looks like. This is the field of view. And let me put it back on. This is what it looks like with the Ulanzi teleconverter on the DJI Pocket 3. I'll be including some more video clips just so you guys can see the difference between the two and what it looks like with the teleconverter lens on. And I've been testing it just a little bit, and it seems like the DJI Pocket 3, the gimbal, it can handle the weight of this teleconverter lens. It's a little bit heavier than the wide angle lens that I use on the DJI Pocket 3, but even though it's a little bit heavier and it sticks out a little bit more, it's still able to handle it. And the gimbal still works pretty well, even with the teleconverter lens on. And the face tracking, like I said, it's still following me just fine, even with the teleconverter lens on. So I'll be including some more clips so you guys can see, so please enjoy, and I hope you guys liked watching this video and review. Thanks. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching those clips of me using the Ulanzi 2x teleconverter lens for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now I think in a controlled setting like this one, where I'm at home sitting in my desk, it works okay. But out in the field, I noticed that it gives this sort of like white vignette. Especially when you point it towards a light source, you can definitely see like white, sort of like a fog, like a white fog around the edges. You can go back and watch the clips and decide, but that's what I've noticed. And I actually see on the lens itself, physically inside, I can see that on the left and right side, there's like a white sort of material on the edges. So that's probably what's causing it. But yeah, this is something I would use at home, or in a controlled environment like a studio, but out in the field, it gives this, you know, foggy white vignette on the edges. It's noticeable for me. You guys can let me know what you guys think in the comments, but that's what I've noticed from using it. Anyways, I do still think that if you are a big fan of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this is pretty much a must-have, because the main complaint that a lot of owners had was that you're basically stuck at this wide angle, right? But now with this teleconverter, you can have a more sort of normal focal length, right? So I do think that if you're really serious about using the Osmo Pocket 3 very often, then this would be something useful that you can get. But again, in a controlled environment, it can look pretty good. If you're using it out and about, you might notice that there's some like white fog around the edges sometimes. That's my review of this teleconverter lens. Personally, I think I'll keep it just because I can use it at home in my studio, but out in the field, I'll probably use something else. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these clips and my review. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe. I just bought the Sony 28-70 f2 lens, so I'll be making more videos with that one once I get it. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.